Hey, let me show you how to quickly edit an Instagram post template in Canva on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Open the Canva app, tap social media, choose Instagram, then tap Instagram post. Browse the template and pick one you like. Tap it to start. To replace an image, just tap the photo you want to change. Hit the replace icon. Select a picture or video from your gallery. If you want to edit the text, tap the text you want to change. Then simply type your own words. Make sure everything is perfect. When you're ready to save, tap the upload icon at the top. Select download. Wait a few seconds while it processes. Open your gallery app. Your new Instagram post is right there. That's it. Super fast and easy.